Hi guys, I'm Hasa with WTI, and whenever winter is approaching, I start getting dry, cracked lips. And that's why having lip balm in my backpack or any purse is really important for me. And this moisturizing lip balm from Carmex in its original flavor has given me the solution to those cracked lips. And I love the fact that it's a little tingling, which means it stimulates circulation on your lips. So that's how it basically heals your lips. It's a medicated lip balm and it really protects my lips from cracking more when they are already feeling cracked and dry. I like how soft it is and how easy it is to apply. You apply with your fingers and it won't be sticky, so it will be really easy to wipe off whenever you want to. So it's a very easy product to use. If you're looking for the best medicated lip balm, this one from Carmex is for you. Very easy to use, easy to take anywhere, and it really calms and brings back moisture into your lips. And that's my point of view.